So far in the programs that we've built, we've only dealt with what are called local variables. In this video, I'm going to introduce the concept of instance variables and how instance variables allow us to call on different variables between different methods. So let's go ahead and in our text editor, we are going to create a new file. So I clicked Command N, and then I'm going to click up Command S for Mac users, and that brings up a save window, and we can call this bank account.rb, and let's create a bank account. So it's bank account, and then we're going to have an end class and a method called starting sum, and we will set that equal to money equal to 0, and we'll end that method, and we'll create another method called let's just call it deposit, and we're going to end that method, and then we're going to create another method called withdraw, and we will end that method also. And let's make this a parameter of deposit sum. We'll call this withdraw total. I'll call it withdraw amount, and we'll call it deposit amount. I don't like the way we edit this. And in it, we are going to take our money variable and set it equal to our previous variable, money, plus our new deposit amount. And we are going to do the opposite over here and withdraw. We're going to have money equal to money minus withdrawal amount. So let's go over to IRB and try to run this code. And when it boots up, we will call the load function load back account.rb, and let's create a new account equal to bank account new, and we can call my account what was that method that we had, starting sum, and so we know that we have our starting sum of $0 that's given to us. And now if we try to call our deposit amount method on my account, you'll see that we get an undefined method. Oh, that's actually not the... Okay, yeah. You'll see that we get an undefined method. Because... what? No, that's not right. My account dot deposit. Oh shoot, no, the method's deposit. Sorry guys. Wow, brain fart there. You can see that I recognize that this method wasn't, or this error wasn't the right error that we should have gotten for that. So, quick little troubleshoot there. Again, sometimes good to see. So you'll see that we get the wrong number of arguments, which means, again, troubleshooting. Let's pass in $50, and we get an undefined method plus for no class. So what that's telling us is that we can't call plus on something that doesn't exist. So the plus method can't be called on this variable money here because we don't have access to this starting sum. Now, this is what we call in Ruby scope. So this variable right here, money, is what's called a local variable. It is local only to the method in which it is defined. Now, the same goes for the deposit method. This variable money is only available to the method in which it's defined, and withdrawal. If we wanted this money instance variable to be accessible throughout all of the methods within the bank account class, we simply include an @ symbol in front of it. And then we have to do the same for all of the other variables that are going to be instances of this money variable. And that expands, excuse me, and that expands the scope of the money variable right there. So let's go ahead and try to rerun this code. Let's load mag account.rb, and let's see if I can do this more fluidly this time. Bank account, my account is equal to bank account dot new, and we can do my account dot, what do we call it, starting sum is equal to $0. Now if we do the my account dot deposit and pass in parameters of $50, all of a sudden we now have $50. It's as if we deposited $50 into our account. And now if we do my account dot withdrawal and we take 20 out, then our account is left with $30. So that's how you access variables across different methods, is through what's called an instance variable, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me troubleshoot a little bit more of this video, but I hope you also learned something from it. You know, we can see what we have here, undefined method deposit amount, meant that deposit amount wasn't actually a method on the bank account class, which my account is an instance of. And wrong number of arguments 0 for 1 was because deposit method was expecting us to pass it a parameter, and we didn't do that. So then we had to pass it a parameter. And then we saw the undefined method plus for nil class, and that's because money that we were calling plus on was nothing. So, and the nil class doesn't have this plus method as one of its methods. And I'm going to show you that here. If we call nil.class, and then we call nil.methods, you'll not see a plus sign. But, yeah, for the scope of, or for the main purpose of this tutorial, hope you guys have a good understanding of what instance variables are now.